Hello friends, today I will show you how I placed my router on the table saw. This project has two features. First, you can adjust the height with precision. And second, it holds my router tight. It's not possible to drop if this lock fails. I'm gonna use this aluminum plate. It feels solid and steady, but be aware of that it's not perfectly straight. It's a bit higher in the center. I mark the position and make a recess with the router. Then, with a jigsaw, cut the center part and make a big hole. I drill with a center finder bit and place the aluminum plate. This plate came with a lot of screws and I have to find the correct for my base. These are the two upper sides and I will make slots with a T-slot bit, so I can use regular bolts. You will find links in the description for the T-slot bit, aluminum plate and more stuff used in this video. find the center of the lowest part and I drill a hole. With a chisel, I will make a slot for a nut to sit inside. This nut will hold the bolt for the height adjustment. With only 6 small pieces of plywood, the base is ready. I have to mount it on the saw and it's ready for use. Finally, I added an on-off switch on the left side and this small piece of plywood under the router to protect it from the bolt.